Planning your day quickly and effectively can transform your entire life. A well-planned day saves time, reduces stress, and increases productivity. In today's video, we'll discover simple and quick ways to plan your day without wasting a single minute. Welcome to the world behind the scenes. Simple ways to plan your day fast. Number 1. Make a quick to-do list. Start by writing down 5 to 7 important tasks you need to accomplish today. Keep it simple, no long paragraphs, just short points. Number 2. Prioritize your tasks. Label each task with numbers or stars based on urgency and importance. This helps you focus on what truly matters first. Number 3. Set time limits for each task. Instead of working endlessly, assign a specific time limit to each task. This keeps you moving fast and prevents overthinking. Number 4. Use the 2-minute rule. If any task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This clears out small tasks quickly and frees your mind. Number 5. Block similar tasks together. Group similar activities, like answering emails and making phone calls, into one time block. This way you stay in the flow and finish faster. Number 6. Prepare essentials the night before. Take 5 minutes every night to organize your clothes, work bag, or important documents. This saves tons of morning time. Number 7. Set 3 main goals. Instead of cluttering your mind with 20 things, focus on 3 main goals for the day. Achieving these gives you a sense of accomplishment. Number 8. Use reminders and alarms. Set phone alarms or sticky notes to remind you about key tasks throughout the day. You won't have to waste time remembering things. Number 9. Review and adjust midday. Take a 5-minute break in the afternoon to check your progress. Adjust your list if needed to stay on track and motivated. Number 10. End the day with a quick reflection. At night, quickly think about what you achieved and what could be improved. This keeps you learning and growing every single day. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick and powerful tips. See you in the next video.